She's sitting on the ground.
What?
Almost ready for me to take it for a test drive.
Yay, test drive coming up.
Bobby's.
I'm making the grounds nicer because they were shit.
Oil's in it.
Yeah, if you love her luber.
And he's going to fix that up. And then...
Almost got my finger. That's one ground. Ow, that hurt. Oh, it hit me in the chest.
That's it.
Oh, that's not tickle. All right, let me go get one more ring.
But wait, there's more. But, all right, guys. Well, we'll go take it for test drive in a little bit. Bed in the brakes, and she's ready to go home.
Yay!
And on to the next little thing we do today.
There's been a lot of stuff going around this week.
Yeah? Yummy. All right. Later.